Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $6,375 level. We are currently ranked at 266 with a market cap of about $213 million. And so today we are going to be looking at my bull run target or my bull market targets right here for YEARN.finance. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So for YEARN.finance in the last 1 month, YEARN.finance is up 23%. So without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we're on the chart right here for YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the weekly time frame Binance yesterday to source, right? So before we go into the bull market price prediction, just want to show you the method for which we are going to be using, and we are going to be using what we call the Fibonacci projections. The Fibonacci projections is the use of the Fibonacci sequence to determine potential price targets. Right here, as you can see, the most commonly used Fibonacci projections are the 1.618, the 2.618, and the 4.236 Fibonacci levels, right? So Fibonacci projections are one of the most accurate way of determining price prediction. So that is what we would be using right here for the chart, right? So drawing our Fibonacci projections, as you can see from the top in 2021 for YFI, right here to the bottom, which we saw in 2022 right here. Let's get the bottom, the exact bottom. Yep, we would use this at the bottom. Yeah, so the first target for which we would be, because we have seen this undue extension, the first target right here for YFI right here would be the 0.136 Fibonacci level. Right here, which is 17,000. The second price target right here would be our golden pocket, which would be right here at the $63,000 level, right? So these are the three targets. The first is the 0.236. The 0.236, let me get this right. Sorry, the 0.236 Fibonacci level is the first target, which is currently at that $26,000 level, as you can see this right here. So our first target right here for YFI is the $26,000 level, and if we see prices go above that $26,000 level right here for YFI, then we could see prices go towards those golden pocket, which is around the $66,000 level right here for YFI. So these are our two levels which we are projecting. We could get there probably by next month or probably by next year, early next year. But these are bull market targets right here for YFI, right? So if you like the channel and you like YFI, please make sure you click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.